Auto Sales. We're giving you a listen to our 454 and our Laguna. Very rare car. A little bit of, they got the old cam and the old valve covers, the factory manifold. You can tell they put a little bit of a cam in it when they rebuilt it. Car's been restored, really nice. Dome light down here works. Horn works. Heater fan works. So you can see your amp gauge, gas gauge, temp gauge coming up. Tack must not work. 59, 58. So I would assume 105 on it. There's a blinker. There's a blinker that works. Wipers. Yeah, they work. Let's see if it's got an 8-track tape player, but I know how it turns on. But I don't think it works. I don't know if the 8-track works. It shows it does, but we'll see. I don't hear any noise or anything, so it works, but it doesn't work. So I'll show you the lights here. Tail lights. You can hear the exhaust, got a nice sound to it. Marker lights, headlights. So, pretty cool car, very rare. If you had one of these in high school, you were one of a couple hundred. And I don't know if there's any other ones left that were the S3s. This was a Canadian car, has all the documentation on it. So. Any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.